All right, here we are today. Perfectly good Mitsubishi Montero. What year is this thing, Justin?
The beautiful year of 1998.
1998 Montero, one owner, beautiful vehicle. We are gonna take out the perfectly good suspension and probably wreck it from what most people would think, but we think it's cool, so hopefully you do too. Okay, so front's pretty much done. First time either one of us have ever touched torsion bars, so definitely messed it up. But this is what we got. Dirty torsion bar, and that's about it. Just finished the rear. All we did was put coils in it. Justin waiting on shocks. All 10 minutes because the front took us 2 hours and we fucked it up about 5 times, so that's why the rear was so easy. But about to put this thing on the ground and see what the hell it looks like.